Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Larissa is here, 61 and fabulous, traveling in Mexico and living my best life. And so can you. In today's video, I will share with you how much it costs to live in Nuevo Vallarta, Mexico in 2022. I will invite you over to my apartment where I currently live. I will tell you how much is my rent and what it includes. I will share with you how much I spent on groceries and where I like to shop for it. So if you're planning on visiting or moving here, keep on watching, friends. Let's start with location. I currently live in Nuevo Vallarta and my building is located just a few minutes walk from the beach. I love to bike and very often I take bike to the beach and it's about 2 minutes ride. I signed the 1-year lease and my rent is 24,000 Mexican pesos or equivalent to $1,200 a month. Wi-Fi, gas, electricity and water is not included and it's about 1,000 Mexican pesos more a month or $50. Now let's go and see my place. Bienvenida a mi departamento. Welcome to my apartment, friends. Come on in. It is a 2-bedroom apartment, and if you ask me why I rent 2-bedroom apartment, the reason is because I like to host my friends. And in September I had 2 girlfriends move to Mexico and they were staying with me for a while. And then later on in October my very good friend Layla moved to Mexico and she was staying with me as well. This apartment comes fully furnished and the kitchen is fully equipped. I love to cook and I'm very happy that it has a lot of space to prepare the meal. And as a matter of fact, I'm making my kale chips here, right here, guys. I have big fridge and I'm happy about that. And you might ask me, what are these lots of stickers you have? This is my Spanish, guys. This is the way how I learn Spanish. It works for me. I write down the word and then when I do open the fridge or I cook, I always look and that's just how it works for me. Now, friends, let's see the master bedroom. The bed is very comfortable. It's really important for me to have a good sleep, good rest. There is ensuite that is also a closet. Come on in. Lots of space here and some of the shelves are still empty. We have much stuff. Now let's talk about how much I spent on groceries. About $500 I spent on groceries and eating out. Fruits and vegetables I usually buy at the small tiendas, local stores, and here is my favorite one. Meat I buy at the small tiendas, carnicerias, like you see me right now, I'm at this tienda. I talk to the owner and I know that meat comes from the small farms and the animals only grass-fed, no antibiotics. Another store I love to shop at is La Comer. It has a great service, organic and international food, good quality, and when I need to buy superfoods like maca, spirulina or more, I come here. So my total spending a month is about $2,000 US.
Out of $2,000 a month, rent is my biggest expense. I do not have health insurance as I do my best to stay healthy, and if I needed a visit to a doctor is relatively inexpensive here. I really enjoy being outdoors, hiking and swimming, surfing, and a lot of the activities I do are free or almost free. I also enjoy eating out with friends after a hike, but not more than once or twice per week. And here is an example of a meal I would usually get. The cost is 300 pesos or $15 plus tip.
Thank you very much, friends, for coming on the tour with me, and leave me comments below. Would you rather live in a place like mine or in a place I showed in my previous video for $400? And if you didn't see that video, I'm gonna link it below. Thank you for watching, everyone, and ciao ciao until the next time.